Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2016 Range Rover Evoque. So from any screen, you see here there's like an arrow with a circle around it. If we click that, brings the screen up. The first time you use it, you probably have to click the screen just to confirm that you're not going to allow yourself to get distracted by the sat nav, and confirm their disclaimer. You see there the screens come up. If we click that again, you've got where to, map view, favourites, information. Also, if you're on home, it's showing you here Cudell Lane. That's telling me where I am at the moment. But if we click that again, it brings that screen back up. So I want to put our destination in. If we click that again, it's showing where to, map view, favourites, information. So we click where to. Address and postcode. We'll enter postcode, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. The Land Rover system defaults to numbers, not all of them do. This is a very, very good and simple to use system. So PR54, again, we've only got 2 digits in our postcode. Some sat-nav systems, if there's only 2 digits, you have to put a space in, not so on the Land Rover. So we're PR54, JS. It's come up PR54JS at the top. Even though you've just typed it in, you've still got to click that. It's giving me options, avoid and save, and that's the route there. Just click yes.
Please follow the road for 1.6 miles.
That's it. That's how you set it. Very, very easy system. A real good system. When you get near enough your home, or you're fed up with listening to interrupting the news program, you just press the button again and click stop guidance. That's it, done. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Range Rover Evoque. And from any screen, you've got the telephone symbol there, and you've got settings there. If you click the settings, you've got Bluetooth. I can scroll up and down like so, but Bluetooth's there. So we click Bluetooth. Bluetooth, search for Bluetooth devices, make system discoverable, list of paired devices. That's what I want, list of paired devices. If I click that, you'll see Barry's iPhone 11 there. Click on that, rename Barry's iPhone, delete pairing, connect for phone. So delete pairing, yes. Nice and simple. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Range Rover Evoque. The first thing we do is make sure Bluetooth is on. So that's Bluetooth on, and we're watching out at the bottom here. From any screen, if I click telephone there, there's no phones connected at the moment, so it's asking me if I want to connect a phone. If there was a phone connected, it would come up with a list of phones and ask you which one you wanted to connect. Also, you get in, if your phone's connected, you get in, it will connect automatically. So here we go. Bluetooth, search for Bluetooth devices, search for Bluetooth devices. Range Rover Evoque is searching. It's come up with Barry's iPhone 11. I click on that. Pairing Barry's iPhone 11, please start pairing process on your device. Now, first of all, it said put 0000 in, but now it's generated a random pin code. So you just wait for that, and then you don't have to type anything in your phone and then in here. You just have to confirm. That's it. Just wait there. It's connected on the system here, and it's connected there. Range Rover Evoque. That's how you do it. Another great thing with the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Range Rover Evoque, if you go to your music and you have it set right, so if I go to music, there you go, I'll turn Billy down so I don't get a copyright strike, but at the bottom there, Range Rover Evoque, and you'll see there's a tick next to it. So it's turned down. If I want the music, the soundtrack of anything, the audio, off anything, off my phone, to play on here, and the phone's paired. And now go over to the music symbol here. You've got music symbol and clapperboard. Click the music symbol, and at the top there you've got source. So it's not already on Bluetooth, it's on auxiliary. So if we want Bluetooth, we click the source and then Bluetooth, like so. I'll just turn this down again. It's oh gosh, I turned it off. There you go. Let me just go back to music. That's playing an audio book, but if I click play on Billy Joel, you'll see there that's what it's playing. I can't turn it up. YouTube are getting very, very strict about playing audio tracks. People ask me why I don't use the free ones, the royalty free. There's usually a reason that the royalty free, they're normally awful. But anyway, thanks for the advice. That's how you do it. That's how you work the Bluetooth audio system.